Okay, so we are going to draw a waterfall. Okay, so now what you have to take, just take the anti-rub blue. Okay, anti-rub blue D003. Okay, anti-rub blue color. So first from here, just draw a line like this. See, it's the middle of the page and you have to draw the line from here. Okay, and from the bottom just try to draw some rocks, okay, like this, with the blue color only. Okay, you can do with pencil also, and if you want you can do this with color also. Okay, first we will going to do the outline. Okay, so it's your wish, you can do with color or pencil. And now what you have to do, just from the side. Okay, so this is the outline. Okay, and now what you have to do, just we will use black color over here, over the side. Okay, sidewise we'll do the black color here and here. Okay, and here lightly, the light pressure we will do it. Okay, and here also with the light pressure. Then with the anti-rub blue, just blend this way. Okay, just blend it. Okay, try to blend it. And now you have to draw some lining here. Okay, straight lining over here. It's very easy, you have to do some lining. And here also we will blend it properly with the black. And here and okay, till here we have done the straight circle from top to bottom like that. Okay, and here what you have to do, just you have to draw some lining from left to right. Okay, like this, left to right. Okay, like this you have to do. And then what you have to do, just we will use the light blue. Okay, it's a light blue. We will draw some lining, blend here, here, and then we will draw some lining over here. Straight line, same as we have done with anti-rub blue. And here also some lining, here some dots with light blue. Okay, and here some lining. Okay, and then what you have to do, just take your Persian blue. Okay, Persian blue, just you have to take the Persian blue and do some Persian blue over here, the bottom side here, and here, this side, this side. Okay, do it here. And then just take your white color, and before using white, just check it's clean or not, and then just blend it. Okay, like this. from top to bottom, just blend it. And then with the Persian blue, okay, with the Persian blue, just draw some lining, okay. And now from bottom, just use some white color properly, dots, okay. And even now here also just you have to use white color to blend it left to right, okay. And then you have to use Persian blue over here. I'm using white color, okay, over here with the pressure, okay. Just you have to use pressure and you have to do the white color over here. And now what you have to do, just take your brown color, okay, no, just take your black color and do the black half, okay, not full, just do the black like this. Okay, just you have to leave some white page. Okay, after doing black, what you have to do, just take out your brand thinner and do some brand thinner over here. Just try to mix with black, okay, properly. Try to mix with black. So drawing is very easy, you can do it very easily, okay. See, it's very easy till here. And fill the edge properly, no white dots can be seen, okay. Proper blending, okay. And now just again take the black and do some outline like this. so rocks don't have any shape. Okay, do some black over here. Okay, like this. Okay, black lining. And you have to blend this with Persian blue. Okay, you have to blend this with Persian blue. Blend the black lining with Persian blue. The shadow part. Okay, we have made the shadow part like this. Give some dots with Persian blue. Okay, and after this what you have to do, just take out your light green. Okay, just take out your light green, and with the light green you have to draw some grasses. Okay, with the light green. Over here some grasses, then use Persian green. Okay, Persian green to make the leaf darker, and then use the orange color to make the flowers. Okay, the dot process. Okay, and now what if we do, just we will take the black color. Okay, with the black we'll make some branches over here. Okay, and with the light pressure. Okay, then you can draw it very easily. You can use glass marker also to make this branches. Okay, and see, tree don't have any shape, so you can draw as many as branches you can to make it more beautiful. Okay, in your own choice also you can draw the branches. It's very easy. And so see, now I'm going to use the red color. Okay, red dots, small dots. Okay, with the red dot, and try to do with white. Okay, white dot. Do with pressure, then it will become white dot also can be seen. Okay, so then you can use pink also. Any pink you can use. Okay, rose pink or fluorescent pink. I am using rose pink, fluorescent pink, sorry. Okay, so it's okay, so it's very easy, so try to do it. One thing, just you use some sap green over here. Okay, sap green, it's a sap green. Okay, now your drawing is ready. Okay, thank you.